United we stand, a celebration of Flag Day, a time to honor our nation's flag and the principles it represents. For over 2 centuries, the Stars and Stripes have been a symbol of freedom, resilience, and unity. It has witnessed moments of triumph and sacrifice that have shaped our great nation. On this Flag Day, we come together to honor our flag, recognizing its significance as a powerful emblem of our shared values and heritage. We pay tribute to the brave men and women who have defended our flag, ensuring that the principles of freedom and justice endure for future generations. As we celebrate Flag Day, let us be grateful for the liberties we cherish and remain committed to preserving them. Together, we can forge a future of peace, equality, and opportunity. United we stand, today and always. Happy Flag Day.